flow control products. So anything with flow control, metering, instrumentation, little shafts, pins, bushes.
And you're making that on Swiss machines or on just single spindle?
On the Citizen, we make a lot of the little pins and shafts and anything in a 20 mil diameter envelope. But otherwise, we use 2 Hitachi Seiki 4-axis mill turn machines. And I mean, these machines, again, they're mid-90s Japanese, but they're really repeatable, very accurate, and we can complete turned milled parts in one setup usually.
Wow.
I think the industry we serve has been able to diversify into other fields. It's not strictly, people are going to continue to have a need for flowing liquid natural gas or oil or orange juice or milk. But those products that flow those things can flow anything. And so they're not bound by certain industries.